Hello everyone, take the beetroot or the dragon fruit and cut it like this. Now cut it carefully and remove the middle part. Now cut it into thin slices like this. You can also use reddish instead of it. Now put them one by one as shown in the video. Now put these slices together and roll it to fix it in the between. Roll it properly and put it to make the flower. After you are done with it, we will make its stems and leaves. Put them together. Now take these slices of the cucumber and put it like this. Make the leaves using the natural leaves or the artificial leaves you can use here. Put it like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some beautiful flowers using the carrots. So take the carrot and cut it like this. So first, design it from the sides using the knife. Now remove the middle part of the carrot and fix them together like this. Make the peels together to make the flower. Now fix it using the toothpick and put it over the plate. After that, make its stems and leaves and it's ready. Next, we'll be making this beautiful flower using the leaves. So first take the carrot and then cut it like this into small pieces. Cut it into thin slices and cut them one by one as shown in the video. Now put it around the cucumber slices to make the flowers. Now put the slices by putting it like this. Make some butterflies on the top as shown in the video using the dragon fruit. Cut it carefully like this and put it on the top. Decorate it carefully and your beautiful palette or salad palette will be ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Here you can tell us more different ideas in the comment section or you can try it on yourself. Decorate the plates and it will look very good. Next, take the oranges and we will be making flower using it. So cut it from the sides as shown in the video. Now put the part from the between. Now cut it like this and arrange it in the manner and then roll it to make the flower. Now fix it inside the flower peel like this and then put the stems and leaves and it's ready. Next, take the reddish and then make the folds like this on it and fix it using the toothpicks. Now fix them one by one by rolling it like this. Take these slices and fix them properly and very carefully. Do not break it. Make few more as such and then fix it over the plate as shown in the video. Now using the cucumber slices, we will make the stems and leaves. Put them like this and make the leaves around it. Arrange the peel like this after removing it and then place it one by one and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.